How do you restart an iPhone without a home button?
Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk through the steps on how to restart an iPhone without using a home button. This is particularly useful for those of you using modern iPhones that lack a physical home button, such as iPhone 10 and newer models.
Why would you need to restart your iPhone?
Restarting your iPhone can help solve minor software glitches and issues. It can free up memory, refresh the operating system, and improve the overall performance of your device.
Preparing to restart your iPhone.
Before you restart your iPhone, save any work or data that you have open. Restarting will close all open apps and may cause unsaved data to be lost.
How to restart your iPhone without a home button.
Now, let's get into the actual steps. 1. Press and hold the side button and either volume button on your iPhone. You will see a slider appear on the screen. 2. Drag the slider to the right to power off the iPhone. 3. After the device turns off, press and hold the side button again until you see the Apple logo. 4. Release the button and your iPhone will restart. Please note, the side button is also known as the power button or the sleep/wake button.
What if your iPhone is unresponsive?
If your iPhone is unresponsive and you can't restart it the usual way, you may need to force restart your device. Here's how to force restart an iPhone without a home button. 1. Quickly press and release the volume up button. 2. Quickly press and release the volume down button. 3. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo, then release it. Remember, these steps should be done in quick succession, and this method should only be used when necessary as it's similar to a hard reboot. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to restart your iPhone without a home button. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Always remember that regularly restarting your device can help maintain its performance. Thank you for watching and have a great day.